What's up, everybody? We doing a vent solenoid on a, which is this guy, vent valve solenoid, and this is a 2001 Buick Century, and we are right here at the where you put the gas in. We're gonna come down here, up underneath. There's your fuel filler neck right there, and it's right here, and I already got it unplugged, so I just reached up in there and just pulled that off right there, and you got that line right there that needs to be taken off, and you got a 10mm right there. So we'll take that off. Okay. And it's got a clip right there, so you just gotta just slide it this way. Yank that down. I'm gonna so I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm just removing that hose. This is like a updated version right here. So this is the updated version, but it's got the same hose right there. It's just a little, this one right here is a little bit bigger, but all you do, see, it's got the same little setup. It's just a little bit bigger, but this is the updated version. The electrical connector is the same. Alright, so I'm just gonna slide it off that bracket, and let's see here. Let's wiggle it up. Oh, I need a do me a favor, can you grab that that flathead screwdriver again? It's right there on the right up there on the side of the toolbox. No, I get it. Let's see. I got it, bro. There we go. Alright, so let's see if I can stop it. Let's do it like this. Alright, so you got this little tab right here. You got to pull that forward, and then you can slide it back now. Once you take that tab, slide it forward. It's just rusted. Like yeah. Alright, boom. Now I take this and transfer this right here, bracket. Let's see, how'd you sit in there like that? So I want it to be that. It's gonna sit like that. So this one right here is the updated one, so it just sits like that. Then install it into the corner right here. So, oh shit. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in. Bam. Just like that. Do my little hose. Get that on there. Right, so I don't know if you can see this or not. But so I just plugged it in, put my hose on, and I'm gonna slide it up here. There's your little clip right there. You slide it in there. Put your little 10mm bolt in there. Man, that's the updated evap solenoid though. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. Peace.